Here's our wild turkeys out here this morning. In our backyard. Going over to check out the sprinklers. Let's see if I can get any closer before they take off. There's our garden. Beautiful morning. In our backyard. Look at him, taking a bath in the sprinklers. They're letting me get pretty close. Getting just a tad nervous. See how close they'll let me get. Over there getting a drink. Got lots of young adult turkeys. Oh, they're getting nervous. They're starting to leave. Oh, some of them are still brave. Didn't realize how much they enjoyed the sprinklers, though. Oh, look. There's one getting ready to go over and check out the bird feeder. They're all getting ready to go check out the bird feeder. They know where the food is in this yard. Can't quite decide if I'm going to threaten them in any way. A little bit at a time. No, they're not sure. You can see how good my garden's doing here. Carrots are coming up good. Didn't do good with radishes this year, though. Let's just see how close I can get before they take off. Guess that's about as close as they're going to let me get. Whoop, one's coming back. It's okay. It's okay. Bet they would eat out of my hands if I had something to feed them. Brave souls that they are. Isn't nature amazing? But that might be. Yep, that's just about it.